Welcome my amazing friend. In this video today we will talk about why nutrition is so important for you as a busy online entrepreneur and why it can actually make you more money if you fix it. We will discuss why nutrition is so important, what bad nutrition looks like, what good nutrition looks like, and what the side effects of bad nutrition are. So let's get right into it. Proper nutrition is first and foremost getting the right amount of nutrients and calories. Nutrients are, simply put, the things that your body needs to properly function and that you can just live your life like an everyday person. And calories are very important to keep an eye out for, because too few calories will leave you feeling tired, maybe groggy or lazy. And that's because your body doesn't have the amount of energy that it needs to function properly. And too many calories will have slightly the same effect or somewhat the same effect. You will again feel a bit lazy because your body has too much energy and it needs to then digest that energy the entire time, so you can't really get to use it. And too many calories will eventually lead you into obesity. You will put on weight, at least if you don't move a lot, which many online business owners unfortunately doesn't do. And then you will become obese and maybe even fat, and we don't want that. So then you also need to get enough fat and protein. As an online business owner, you're taking a lot of decisions daily, and your brain is driving all of those decisions. But guess what? Your brain is made of fat, and that brain needs even more good fat, not just all fat, good fat, to function properly and to keep on making those good decisions. And then you also need to keep an eye out for protein, because protein is, like most of you know, the macronutrients that allow your body, your muscles, to function properly. And you need protein to build muscle, but you also need protein to maintain muscle. So if you are just static and not doing a lot of movement on the daily because you're working, then you still need to get a certain amount of protein, because else you will start to lose a bit of that muscle mass, and then it will be even harder for you to get back into moving again. And so the reason why nutrition is so important is because bad nutrition affects decision making. Like I said before, you're an online business owner, you're taking a lot of decisions on the daily, and you need those decisions to be good decisions that drive your business into a bright future and that will lead you to generate even more money. And bad nutrition also impairs your ability to handle stress. Because bad nutrition, again, let's say you're getting too few calories but you forget to eat, then your body will not have enough energy to handle the stress, because some of your energy also gets used for your brain. It's not just physical energy, like your body is also in the mind, and believe it or not, your mind actually takes a lot of the energy, also physical energy, from your body every single day. And that's another one of the reasons why bad nutrition has so grave side effects for online business owners. And lastly, bad nutrition affects your emotional state and influences impulsive decisions. So you're an online business owner, and your emotional state is more important than you might know, because your emotional state reflects and influences your decisions. Like I said, you want those decisions to be as good as possible, and those decisions should allow you to generate even more money. But you don't want impulsive decisions, because impulsive decisions are often made with your emotions and not with your mind and logic, and those are usually the decisions that will drive your business into the ground. And like I said before, we don't want that. So eat properly. Like I said, the side effects of bad nutrition: you perform worse and you make less money. Your brain doesn't have the nutrition and energy that it needs to function properly and function most optimally, and you make less money because your brain can make those good decisions. You can negatively influence the productivity of your coworkers or employees. If you show up to work either being super duper lazy, or you show up to work being really mad or angry or whatever, that energy is very infectious to your coworkers or your employees. Because if they see the boss show up being angry at them from the moment he steps through the door, they're gonna feel a little bit angry throughout the entire day too. And that won't only affect their productivity, but also affect their happiness, their enjoyment of the work. And let's say on the other hand, you come in and you're super lazy, then they will also be lazy, because that's what they see from the boss. And as the boss, as an entrepreneur who's in charge of a business, you need to be a good example and show up with perfect energy every single day. Even though there's a lot of pressure, that's just a fact. And worst of all, you might end up in an evil circle where you consume even more bad food with too much sugar or no nutrients. And that's the worst thing. Because if you get trapped inside of that evil circle, you will just make it worse and worse for yourself, because you will then, because you are frustrated maybe that you made some bad decisions, or your employees aren't as productive as you want them to be, you might comfort yourself with sugary foods, processed foods, junk food, fast food, whatever is your guilty pleasure or your comfort food when you're sad or angry. And that has no nutrients, and that will only drive you deeper into the ground. You need to step out of that hole and to get back on track, get some proper nutrients. And if you want my help with that, along with losing 6 to 10 pounds a month, then click the link in the description. But let's talk about how to get proper nutrition as an entrepreneur, as a busy entrepreneur. That's important, because your productivity and the amount of work that you do can also influence the amount of time or the amount of decisions you're going to have to make regarding your weight loss or just your nutrients in general. So a very good example or a very good tip is you need to schedule your meals or make them in advance. A lot of entrepreneurs aren't eating at all. They're not eating on a 12-hour workday because they simply forget it, or they think it's less important than making those business decisions and making money. So schedule a meal, set out half an hour, 1 to 2 times to the day through the workday, where you sit down and eat some food. Whether that's food you get from a cafeteria, you go down to a local sandwich shop, get a sandwich with some protein, some fats. It's a lot of flavor, it keeps you full and nourished. That's perfectly fine. Or if you're making your own foods, or you want to meal prep or lose weight, which we can also help you with in the Rebuild system, you will make them in advance and then bring them, and then again schedule a meal so you remember to eat them. Then you want to focus on whole foods or foods rich in nutrients, because those are the things that will keep you full and that will make sure that you can function optimally throughout the entire day. And there's a very good rule of thumb concerning whole foods, which is if it grows on the ground, hangs from a tree, or has a mother, it's a whole food. Pretty simple, right? And the last thing is, maybe you should consider implementing supplements into your diet. Let's say you're an online business owner and you really struggle with eating because you're not hungry, or you're just so busy that you don't really have the time to sit down and eat like a good big homemade meal. Then try implementing supplements. I'm not saying you should go for fast food instead of proper food, but let's say you are struggling with your protein intake. Then consider maybe adding a protein shake once you get home from work or in the morning, or bringing a protein bar with you on work, during work, so you can eat it while you're working, because that will not only give you some more energy because it has some sugar, it has some protein, it's just some food in general, but it will also, again, you can get a protein bars with 15 to 20 grams of protein. And if you need 100 grams of protein a day, that's 1/5 of your protein goal you can get in, I don't know, 1 minute that it takes you to eat that protein bar. And then you'll be good to go and you won't have to worry about that no more. That's it for this video, my friend. If you want a system that can help you lose 6 to 10 pounds a month and fix your nutrition, that I personally used to lose 45 pounds while building out a business and having a packed schedule, then click the link in the description. I hope I'll see you there, and until next time, take care.